Yeah, let's continue Amazon S3. In this session, we are going to see step-by-step guide to creating, managing, and deleting AWS S3 buckets, folders, and files. Okay, first, let's start creating AWS S3 bucket. First, log into AWS Cloud. I already logged in. Open AWS S3. In recently visited, you are seeing AWS S3. In your case, you may not see. Then, in search bar, type S3. Open S3 in new tab. Open S3 in new tab. Then, here you are going to see create a bucket. Then, here we we give a bucket name. Let's say AWS DB hyphen S3 hyphen V11. Okay, I'm creating bucket. Uncheck this public access, then click on I acknowledge, then click on create a bucket. Here, bucket name should be unique name. Unique name in the sense, let's say AWS Cloud, lot of people using AWS Cloud throughout the world. So the name which we given, this should not be created anyone in AWS Cloud. Okay, next one. First one, I created AWS S3 bucket. Second one, directly you can upload data into AWS S3 bucket. You can see upload option here or here. You can click on upload. Then you can see option called add file. Click on add file. Then go to your datasets location under C drive, under datasets, under AWS S3, I have data. Then I'm selecting one file called ump.csv. Click on upload, then click on upload. You can see the data. Data is uploaded here successfully. Data is uploaded successfully. Second one, you can create a folder. Create a folder. Folder. Yeah. We uploaded directly AWS S3 bucket. Second one, I am creating a folder. Folder name, let's say datasets. Datasets. Under datasets, I want to upload the data. Okay. So go to datasets folder, click on upload, then click on add file, then select another file to upload. So second option is you can create a folder and you can upload a folder. What is the advantage of this approach? Segregated. Instead of uploading everything inside a bucket, we are segregating. We are creating different folders and corresponding data we are uploading into that folders. Next one thing, you can upload directly folder. Click on upload. Okay. Click on add folder. You can select direct folder. Okay. I'm selecting this entire folder. Let's say entire S3 folder I want to upload. Then click on upload. Then you can see, click on upload. Entire folder you can upload it to AWS S3 bucket. Your folder may contain one file, two files, multiple files, no issue. You can upload a complete folder to AWS S3 bucket. Next one, deleting a file. Select a file, click on delete, click on delete, then type this message, permanently delete. Permanently delete, click on delete object. So we deleted a file, but I want to delete a folder. And select the folder, click on delete, then click on permanently delete, then click on delete object. So I'm deleting folder. Next requirement is I come again. No, it is showing deleted successfully. You can see here the folder is deleted. No, no, no. It is shown deleted successfully. Let me upload a file. Let me show you once again. Add a file. Select a file. Click on upload. Then click on close. I'm deleting the file. Select the file. Click on delete. Then type permanently delete. Click on delete object. Where it is showing error. No objects. No objects. Hmm. Hmm. There is no file presented. It deleted all. There is no file to delete. There is no file to delete. It deleted all records. Okay. Yeah, yes, correct. So next one, I am trying to delete a bucket. So I am selecting a bucket. I am trying to delete a bucket. It gives an error. It is giving error saying bucket is not empty. So first select the bucket. Okay. Go to bucket. Select the bucket. First make bucket is empty. Then you can enter entire bucket objects. You can delete. Okay. You can exit. Then once you make bucket is empty, select the bucket. Click on delete bucket. Then you have to provide a bucket name. You have to provide bucket name. Then click on delete bucket. So bucket is deleted successfully. So we have created a bucket. We have created a folder. We have uploaded a file. We have uploaded folder. We have deleted a file. We have deleted a folder. We have deleted a bucket. We did complete bucket related operations. Okay.